Today we will learn on variation, bab ubahan. Okay, so variation chapter, I'll start from the basic lah as always. So we're going to learn today first subtopic. Okay, subtopic pertama 1.1, we will learn direct variation. Okay, ubahan langsung. 1.1 direct variation. Okay, first part lah so that kamu semua tak confused lagi. Kita belajar ubahan langsung dulu hari ini. Okay, slow lah. Okay, so okay, let me first introduce. Okay guys, whenever you see the word variation, bila nampak perkataan ubahan, simbol apa yang kamu guna? What symbol will you use to show variation? Can you all tell me? Simbol apa? What is the name of the symbol? Kita ada satu nama untuk menggambarkan ubahan, variation. What is the symbol yang kita guna? Anyone know? Yes, correct. Okay, proportional to, berkadar langsung. Okay, this is the symbol yang kita guna untuk gambarkan ubahan. Okay, variation, this symbol is called as alpha. Okay, we use this symbol to show variation, ubahan. Alright, no other symbol lah guys, hanya simbol ni saja boleh. Okay, so now, first thing you must understand the difference, perbezaan. Okay, difference of variation and also equation. Kamu kena faham perbezaan dia. Okay, apa? Ubahan dan juga persamaan. Okay, wait. Okay, so now variation. Okay guys, variation, ubahan, you will see this symbol. Okay, tapi equation, persamaan, you have to use this symbol. This is the first thing you all must understand. Okay, ubahan kamu akan nampak simbol alpha, equation you will see the symbol sama dengan. Okay, so example, let's say variation saya ada bentuk macam ni. J berkadar langsung dengan B. J varies directly as B. So guys, if equation, macam mana saya nak tulis yang ni dalam bentuk persamaan? Can you all tell me? How should I write equation? What will it look like? Macam mana dia nampak? Can you all type out? Untuk A bukan J sama dengan B. Ya, J sama dengan KB. Ingat guys, when you change from variation to equation, you have to add constant. Okay, bila tukar dari ubahan ke persamaan, kamu kena tambah pemalal. Mana pemalal dia? Pemalal is this one. Okay, constant. Biasanya pemalal kita bagi simbol K. Alright, so the K is showing a constant. Usually we use K lah. Actually other letter also can. Mana-mana huruf pun boleh. Tapi specifically we use K untuk menggambarkan pemalal. Okay, so this is how we convert variation to equation. Okay guys, understand? Form 5 bab 1. Ubahan. Okay, this is Form 5 chapter 1 variation. Okay, so until here, first of all, I want to ask you all, guys, if you all try to see the word variation lah, ubahan. Okay, today we talking direct. Okay, ubahan langsung, direct variation. So guys, I want to ask you all, kalau ubahan langsung, direct variation, macam mana graf dia akan nampak? Can you all tell me? If direct variation, macam mana graf dia nampak? Let's say this is X, this is Y. Can you all describe to me macam mana graf dia akan nampak? How will the graph look like? Yes, straight line. Another point. Satu lagi point penting. Kat mana garis lurus tu lalui? Where does the straight line pass? Pass where? Yes, upwards, correct. Bypass to which point? Dia lalui titik mana? Garis lurus tu. Very good, from 0. Okay, remember if direct variation, ubahan langsung, dia kena sentuh asalan, origin. Okay, because when X equal to 0, Y equal to 0. Okay, bila nilai X kamu kosong, nilai Y pasti kosong. Untuk ubahan langsung, direct variation. That's why dia kena lalui asalan. It must pass to the origin. Okay guys, so from here you can say that Y berubah langsung dengan X. Y is varies directly as X. Okay, so if you want to convert to equation, apa kamu tulis guys? Kalau saya nak convert ni kepada persamaan, kamu akan tambah pemala. You add a constant. Okay guys, I want to ask you all, dalam konteks ni lah, in this situation, pemala dia menggambarkan kuantiti apa? The constant over here is showing what? Can anyone tell me? What does it show? Yes, very good. Kecerunan garis, gradient. Correct. Okay. Because if you all remember, persamaan arm garis lurus kamu, your general equation for straight line, y equals mx tambah c. C kamu sini berapa guys? What is the value of c over here? Pintasan y kamu berapa? What is your y-intercept? Yes, 0. So basically kamu ada y sama dengan mx sahaja sekarang. Dan sekarang m kamu adalah k, iaitu pemala. Okay, the k now, which is your constant, become your gradient. So guys, dalam garis lurus ni, adakah kecerunan dia berubah? Does the gradient change? Yes or no? Dalam garis lurus ni, adakah kecerunan dia berubah atau sama sahaja? Can you all tell me? Is the gradient constant or not in the straight line? Yeah, it's constant. That's why we call this as a constant. K ni pemala, this is a constant. K show gradient, so gradient is also constant. Okay, can you all understand guys? How you get the relationship? Boleh faham? I show from a very simple example. Yang ni paling mudah lah. Okay, they can change however they like, but this is the most simple example. Okay guys, so basically how to get gradient, you draw triangle lah. Okay, so this gradient is equal to the K constant. Alright, so this is the basic. So until now, any question you all have? Ada apa-apa pertanyaan? Any question that you don't understand so far? If none, I proceed only. Okay, so now, first of all, I want you to understand this lah about variation. Okay, tentang ubahan. You must understand one thing guys, variation, dia akan libatkan quantities. Am I right guys? Bila cakap pasal ubahan, dia akan hubung kaitkan antara beberapa quantity. It will try to connect between quantity. So guys, let me ask you this. Variation, let's say lah, I give you an example. Guys, can you all tell me, rumus untuk luas bulatan, what is the area to count as the circle area? Can you all type out for me? One circle. What is the rumus that you all understand lah so far? Boleh type? Siapa-siapa? Rumus bulatan luas. Berapa kamu dapat? What is the answer? You should get pi r square. Correct? A equals pi r square. Am I right? Untuk luas satu bulatan. Okay, so now I want to relate this to variation. Saya nak hubung kaitkan ni dengan bab ubahan. Okay guys, do you all realize that macam mana kamu dapat persamaan ni adalah sebenarnya dari ubahan A berkadar langsung dengan R kuasa 2. This equation actually come from the variation that A varies directly as R square. Do you all know that? Pernah terfikir tak? Okay, this actually come from variation. Okay, that is why I say this is equation. On top is equation, EQN. This one is variation. Okay, that's why bila kamu tambah pemalar, when you add constant, you can convert variation into equation. Okay, so guys, in this case, pemalar dia apa? Can you all tell me? What is the constant in this case? Dalam situasi ni, apa pemalar dia? Yes, correct. So guys, do you all know why this is constant? Because pi value tak berubah. Okay, nilai pi dia tetap. Pi equals to 3.142 something. Okay, it's a constant value. Dia takkan berubah. That's why we call it as constant. Okay, there are many other constant in this world lah. Dia ada banyak pemalar dalam dunia ni. Not only pi. Okay, got others also. Okay, most of it you all learn in physics lah. Kalau tak silap. Okay, maths very few, but physics got a lot. Okay, so another thing I want to share to you all is rumus bagi ukur lilit sesuatu bulatan, circumference of circle. So guys, can anyone tell me, dalam rumus ni, what is the constant? Apa pemalar dalam rumus ukur lilit bulatan? Can you all identify? Sebelum saya tulis dalam bentuk ubahan. What is the constant here? Very good. Okay, pemala dia kat sini 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi is your constant. Because 2 pi nilai dia takkan berubah. It won't change. So basically, kalau saya nak tulis dalam bentuk ubahan, dia jadi macam ni. C varies directly as R. C2 berkadar langsung dengan jejari. Okay, C is circumference lah, ukur lilit. Okay guys, so now, I want to ask you all kebat question lah. Macam mana mereka dapat tahu pemala dalam soalan ni? How do they get the value of the constant? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana mereka dapat pemala ni? We use one method, satu kaedah. Anyone can tell? Very simple the answer, sangat mudah. Macam mana dapat nilai pemala dia pi ke 2 pi? How? Macam mana? Anyone got idea? Saya nak bagi kamu faham, bukan terima macam tu saja. Kena faham. You have to understand how it come from. So how guys? Macam mana? Anyone? Just cuba only. Salah tak apa. How do you get constant? Macam mana kamu boleh dapat pemala dalam dunia ni? Anyone? Berani nak share? Try to think and see guys. Cuba fikir. How to get constant? Anyone got the answer? How to get value of constant? This is the question over here. Macam mana dapat nilai pemala? Okay, I give you all clue lah. Ya, tapi macam mana kamu dapat kenal pasti nilai pemala tu? That's the question. I give you all clue lah. Dia mula dengan perkataan E. Satu perkataan saja. Start with the letter E. Mula dengan huruf E. Siapa boleh guess? Siapa boleh teka? Apa jawapan dia? How to get pemala? Very senang guys. Not equation. Not equation. No. Guys, you all over here science student, right? Most of you here. Kamu semua budak science kan? Correct? I think the rest lah other than you. So guys, for those science student, what do you all do always dalam science? Kamu buat apa? Usually lah in science, what do you all do? Correct? The answer is experiment. Okay, jawapan dia experiment. So guys, this is how we get the value of constant. Ini cara kita dapat kenal pasti pemala. Sebab, kalau kamu lihat ke atas ni, kita kena kaji hubungan. We need to investigate the relationship. Macam mana nilai R dia pengaruhi nilai A. We have to see how the radius affect the area. And also how the radius affect the circumference. So itu cara kita plot nilai. Lepas tu, guys, can you all see this? Y equals mx, your equation of straight line. Kalau kamu ada beberapa nilai C dan R, kamu boleh cari kecerunan dengan memplot graf garis lurus. You just need to draw a straight line graph. If you have 6 set, let's say 6 set, nilai R dan nilai C, kamu boleh kira kecerunan. Dan sepatutnya kamu dapat nilai kecerunan dia 2 pi. Do you all understand? Boleh faham? Is basically kamu buat eksperimen untuk kaji hubungan. Ini cara kita dapat tentukan ubahan. Or constant lah pemala. Can you guys get it? Boleh faham? Kamu kena jalankan eksperimen, baru kamu boleh buat. Okay, so this is how pemala datang lah. Mungkin kamu tak tahulah selama ni. Okay, but this is the actual reason macam mana dia datang. Okay, another example saya boleh bagi kat kamu. Guys, siapa masih ingat apa rumus untuk kira isi padu silinder? What is the formula to count volume of cylinder? Can anyone type out? Tanpa rujuk, cuba hafal. What is the volume of cylinder formula? Yes, very good. Pi r square h. Okay, so this is the rumus for cylinder. So guys, from here, boleh tak kamu bagi tahu kat saya dua ubahan langsung kat sini? Can you all type out? Two type of the direct variation you can identify dari persamaan ni. Can you all think and see? Variation Haida, ubahan. Saya nak kamu tulis ubahan dia. I want you to type the variation. Kalau susah nak cari simbol alpha tu, kamu tekan A sahaja, saya faham. Okay, if you cannot write the alpha, you just put A. Easier. Small letter A. R square alpha A. No. Don't get confused. Guys, you must know what we investigating here. We are actually investigating the volume. Kita sekarang kena kaji isi padu berdasarkan jejari dan ketinggian. Based on the radius and height. So can you all try and see again? What is the variation over here? Apa ubahan kat sini? Okay, correct. Basically, that one is combined already lah. So guys, basically you got two type of variation here. Kamu ada dua jenis. First and second. Can you all understand? V berkadar langsung dengan kuasa 2 dengan kuasa 2R, V varies directly as the square of R, and also V varies directly as the height. V berkadar langsung dengan ketinggian. Ini cara, bila combine, you can get, if you combine these two lah, kamu akan dapat V berkadar langsung dengan R kuasa 2H. Can you guys understand? So guys, what is the constant over here? Apa pemalar kat sini? Kalau kamu nampak. What is the constant? Yes, okay. Basically, pi is the constant. Sebab nilai R dan H akan berubah. R and H change, volume also change. Okay, very easy for you all to understand. I use another slide. So guys, tadi saya cakap ada dua ubahan kan kat sini. Dua yang ni. Okay, both of these are variation. So guys, I ask you all, bila jejari bertambah, apa jadi pada isi padu ni? Bertambah atau berkurang? If your radius increase, what will happen to your volume? Yeah, common sense lah, bertambah. Okay, how about height? If height increase, volume jadi macam mana? Bertambah ke berkurang? Yeah, tambah juga. Very simple. Okay, you look over here at the water bottle. This water bottle is cylinder. Betul? So guys, this is the radius of the cylinder. Yang ni. Over here. Mungkin kamu tak nampak sangatlah, but this is the radius. Okay, yang saya tunjuk sekarang. So guys, cuba bayangkan kalau jejari saya bertambah sampai ke sini. The radius increase until here. Macam mana volume cylinder ni? Dia akan bertambah kan? Because radius, dia boleh pusing. So the overall volume dia akan bertambah. Can you all imagine? Kamu kena bayangkan lah. Kalau radius ni bertambah, volume dia akan bertambah juga. Same with the height. Okay, this is height. So guys, let's say I increase the height some more. Saya tambah lagi, I increase the height. If you increase the height, the volume surely will increase. Okay, isi padu botol ni akan bertambah. So this is what we call as variation. Okay, direct variation. Okay guys, understand? Boleh faham? So this is the application lah yang kamu kena tahu. Okay, relate to daily life. Alright. So now, selepas ni, okay, I give you all situation lah. Okay, let's say I give you all situation. Kamu kena tulis bagi saya dalam bentuk ubahan. You write out the equation for me. Okay. So now, okay, so first situation. You tell me the changes guys. Okay, so now, jumlah gaji yang dia dapat berkadar langsung dengan jumlah jam dia bekerja. Okay, so maybe saya bagi tahu macam ni lah. W berkadar langsung dengan T. Okay, yang ni adalah T. W adalah gaji dia. Okay guys, so now I want to ask you, kalau dia bekerja 2 kali lebih panjang, if he work 2 hours longer than original, apa akan jadi pada nilai ni? Can you all tell me? If you understand variation lah, berkadar langsung. Berapa jumlah gaji yang dia dapat? Yes, tapi increase by, yes, you must tell specific guys, increase by 2 times also. Okay, this is what we call direct variation. One side increase 2 times, the other side also increase 2 times. So this is how we can see direct variation. Okay, this one simple still. Let's say I change the situation a bit. Let's say W sekarang dia berkadang langsung dengan T kuasa 2 pula. Okay, I just change a bit lah. W varies directly as T square. So now guys, let's say the working time increased by 2 times. Dia ganda 2 kali. What happened to the wage over here? Can anyone tell me? Adakah dia masih kali 2? Is it still the same? Times 2? Sekarang ada kuasa 2 tau. So how? Macam mana? What will be the W? Cuba saja guys, jangan risau. Just try only. If T increase by 2 times, what happened to W in this case? Bukan? You actually supposed to times 4. Okay, mengapa times 4? Kuasa 2. Maksudnya perubahan kamu initially 2. Tapi perubahan tu kamu kena kuasa 2. The change you must square it. So 2 square you get 4. That's why gaji dia akan kali 4. Sebab kuasa 2 tu. Can you guys understand? Kuasa 3 pun sama. Kalau T kuasa 3. Okay. Kali 2. 2 kuasa 3. Maksudnya yang ni akan dapat kali 8. Dia bergantung pada pemboleh ubah kamu. It depends on the variable you have. Okay guys? Can get it? So this is the situation you all must understand lah. Okay? Maybe I can try out with something more relatable to you lah. Okay, let's say. Let me think of a formula. Okay. Guys, you all learn this formula, right? Speed equal to distance bahagi time. Okay, laju sama dengan jarak bahagi masa. Correct? So guys, let's say lah, I increase the distance by 2 times. Saya tingkatkan jarak saya 2 kali. Time is constant lah. Saya bagi yang ni pemala. So guys, can I ask you all, speed berapa kali dia tambah? How many times it increase? If distance increase 2 times, speed increase berapa kali? Yeah, 2 times also lah, correct. Okay, but you have one condition, satu syarat, time must be constant. Okay, masa kamu kena pemala, baru kamu boleh menyiasat hubungan antara dua kuantiti. Always when we investigate two variable, one variable is constant. Basically, is your concept of MV, RV, and CV lah. So in this case, MV yang kita berubah is distance. RV is speed. Manipulated, responding. Constant is time. So that's why I say dia hubung kait dengan science bab ni. It related to your science experiment. Okay, that's how we get variation one. Okay, so this is the example for you lah. MV, RV, and also CV. Kamu tak boleh menyiasat dua kuantiti yang berubah at the same time dengan satu lagi kuantiti. Yang tu tak boleh. Okay, it must be one with one. Satu compare dengan satu. Then only you all can investigate. If both berubah, dua-dua berubah, let's say distance and time berubah, kamu nak tengok laju. Dia susah. Okay, it's difficult a bit. Because kamu tak boleh compare directly. So that's why dalam syllabus kita lihat dua kuantiti ubah sahaja. Macam mana dia pengaruhi. How it affect each other. Just two quantity. Okay guys? Clear? So this is the example lah that I have for you. Speed equal distance over time. So let's say got another one. Let me see. I try to give examples for you. Okay. So let's say now I give you a jadwal lah. I change the situation a bit. Okay, let's say distance and also speed. Okay guys, when distance is 0, can you all tell me, kalau jarak kamu kosong, laju kamu berapa? Common sense lah. Yeah, 0 lah. If you have no distance, speed also 0. So now guys, let's say I got distance 2 and my speed I have is 4. Okay, jarak 2 laju saya 4. So guys, assume this is direct variation lah. Anggap ni adalah ubahan langsung sekarang. So guys, I want to ask you all, if my distance now is 3, can you all tell me, apa laju saya? What is my speed? I want to see whether you all understand or not. No, not like that. You cannot count like that. Correct. You must use ratio concept, guys. Remember, guys, the answer is 6. Jawapan dia 6. Ingat, whenever you have direct variation, ubahan langsung, remember, kamu boleh selalu guna kaedah nisbah, ratio method. Why? Because when satu kuantiti bertambah, let's say A bertambah, B juga akan bertambah. Ini maksud berkadar langsung, varies directly. Ratio can only use for direct variation. Hanya ubahan langsung. Songsang tak boleh. Okay, inverse variation, the next subtopic, kamu tak boleh guna ratio. Only direct variation boleh guna ratio. So example, untuk soalan tadi, saya nak cari nisbah jarak kepada laju kan. Okay, so tadi saya bagi tahu jarak 2, laju dia 4. So sekarang, the question is, if the jarak now become 3, your distance is 3. So what is this answer? I rasa kamu semua tahu kan how to count this. V sama dengan 4 kali 3 bahagi 2. That's why your jawapan is 6. Do you all understand? So basically, ratio konsep boleh tunjuk juga konsep ubahan. Okay, nisbah boleh tunjuk ubahan. So this is the concept you all must know also. Ada banyak konsep yang support this chapter. So yeah, like this lah. Okay, so let's say saya nak bagi satu lagi nilai kat kamu. Let's say 1. Bila jarak 1, apa laju dia? What is the speed? Cuba predict, jangkakan laju dia berapa? Where got 1? Guys, kamu kena refer pada pola dia. Okay, times 2. Distance and speed times 2. So that's why 1 times 2, you get 2. Okay, not 9 lah. I already changed now. I already decreased back to 1. Okay, so it's actually 2 the answer. Okay, so basically from here, guys, can you all construct a formula for me? Boleh tak kamu bagi rumus kat saya yang menghubungkan jarak dengan masa based on this situation? What is the formula you can give to me? Let's say jarak saya bagi simbol D. Laju saya bagi simbol V. Can you all type out the equation for me? Based on the trend. So anyone? Satu persamaan, one equation that connect distance and speed based on the polar I show over here. Just try guys. Cuba saja. Cannot. Very simple guys. If you say D equals 2V, V kamu sekarang 4 kan? Let's say I focus on this. V equals 4. Your D supposed to be 8 kalau kamu guna persamaan tu. So it's actually terbalik. V is equal to 2D. Itu jawapan dia. Okay, you can try and see lah by just substitute the nilai. Okay, so actually V is equal to 2D. So guys, can you all see from here? V berkadar langsung dengan D. V varies directly as D. So guys, what is the constant here? Can you all tell me? Pemala kamu sekarang nilai dia berapa? Based on the relationship I do. Apa pemala kamu? 2 lah. Because you must understand, constant is actually numbers. Okay, dia adalah nombor saja pemala. Pemala tu nampak macam fasih sikit bahasa saja, but it's actually mean nombor sahaja. Any number in the world. Okay, 2 pi. Macam tadi, 2 pi is also a number. Dia ada nilai dia. Kamu boleh kira dan dapatkan nilai dia. Okay, so that's why it's called as constant. Okay, constant doesn't mean huruf. Okay, dia tak maksud abjad. It means numbers. Okay, nombor. Okay guys, understand? Can a fraction? Yes, of course. Okay, I give you all one example. Let's say Haida one fraction as constant. Okay, fraction as constant. So very simple. Let me think of a easy one. Fraction as constant. Okay. Hakim, you asked fraction, right? So let me think. You all take physics here, everyone here. Do you all take physics? Because maths, I don't think got fraction with constant. Ambil lah. So I guna example. Oh, some don't take. Okay, never mind. I try to be fair to all. Let's say I use area of semicircle lah. Okay, guys. Do you all remember apa rumus untuk kira luas semi bulatan? Can you all tell me? What is the formula for luas semi bulatan? Anyone remember? It should be half pi r square. Correct? Luas semi bulatan is half pi r square. Because luas bulatan is pi r square, so semicircle, semi mean half. Semi tu maksud setengah. That's why setengah pi r square. So guys, what is the constant here? Can you all tell me? Apa pemala yang kamu dapat kenal pasti dari rumus yang saya tulis? What is the constant you all can see? Anyone? What's the constant? Yeah, half pi. So Hakim, this is a fraction. Okay, dia adalah pecahan. So that's why fraction can also be constant, half pi. Okay, anything. As long you can find the value. Even decimal also sometimes can. Okay, but quite rare lah. Usually constant kita bagi dalam pecahan supaya nilai dia paling tepat. Okay, fraction will always show the most accurate value. Decimal kamu kena bundarkan kepada beberapa titik perpuluhan. Okay, that's why we use fraction. Okay, so I think you all clear lah so far. So now, let me see. Let me think of any other example. Okay, guys. Since just now, right, I told that everything increase, right? Tadi saya lukis graf yang ni kan. Dia bertambah sahaja. But guys, you must also remember, direct variation, kalau satu kuantiti berkurang, satu kuantiti yang lain juga berkurang. So guys, based on this situation, siapa tahu macam mana graf ni akan nampak? Kalau dua-dua kuantiti berkurang. Let's say X berkurang, Y berkurang. So how will be the graph? Macam mana graph dia? Dan dia adalah ubahan langsung. So anyone know how to draw the graph? Kalau dua-dua berkurang. Anyone? It should be like this. Okay, graph dia akan nampak macam ni. Negative gradient. Kecerunan kamu negatif. If dua-dua kuantiti berkurang. Okay, dia takkan lalui apa nama dia, asalan lah. Dia tak boleh lalui asalan. Okay, mustahil nak lalui asalan. So this is the graph. Okay, untuk dua-dua kuantiti berkurang for direct variation. Alright, so now next one. Let me see. Okay guys, just now I told you all that all variation, setiap ubahan, dia akan ada pemala. Betul? Each variation should have a constant, correct? Contoh pi, 2 pi, or anything else lah. So guys, is it possible to have variation with no constant? Adakah possible untuk ada satu ubahan tanpa sebarang pemala? Can? Yes, your answer correct. No. Every variation should have a constant. Okay, I give you all one special example lah. Okay guys, for those, let me see, by any maths example that I can think of. Saya nak fikir satu example. This one no choice. I have to use physics only because I know physics only. Okay guys, this one I involve a bit of physics lah, but I will explain to you one. For those take physics, you all will understand, but I explain for those that don't take physics. Okay guys, for those don't take physics, basically we got one formula like this lah to count energy, tenaga. Okay, energy. Okay, so this is mass, m is mass, g is gravitational acceleration. Jangan risau, this one is just an example to show you all only about constant. H is height. Kalau soalan keluar macam ni, dia akan bagi tahu setiap information because not everyone take physics. Okay, tak semua ambil physics that take modern maths. Okay, so guys, based on this equation lah saya tulis. Can you all tell me apa ubahan yang sedang berlaku kat sini? What type of variation happening over here between MGH and EP? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Apa ubahan dia? What is the type of variation? No. The type of variation, guys. Jenis ubahan. Is it direct, inverse, combine? Yeah, it's direct. Okay. So, guys, now I want to ask you all the question here. EP, dia berkadar langsung dengan MGH kan? It is directly proportional to MGH. So, guys, if I convert to equation, saya kena tambah pemala kan? I should add a constant when I convert to equation. Betul? Tapi guys, what is the value of the constant? Apa nilai pemala kat sini? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Because based on this equation, saya tak boleh lihat pemala. I cannot see any constant. So what is the constant? Apa pemala dia? Ataupun apa nilai K? Yes, correct. But tanpa sebarang nilai diberi, what is the constant? Without any value I give to you, what will be your constant? Can anyone tell me? Cuba lihat. Apa nilai K kamu? You should get K equal to 1. Nilai dia 1. There is a constant. Dia ada pemala. Because EP, kamu boleh tulis dia sebagai 1 kali MGH. Correct? So basically, nombor 1 tu, itu pemala kamu. 1 is also a constant. Because 1 is a number. Dia ada nombor. Dia ada nilai dia. Can you guys understand? So that's why I'm telling you all, constant doesn't mean dia akan ada 2 pi ke pi. Boleh jadi 1 juga. 1 can also be a constant. Okay guys? Understand my point? So don't get shocked lah kalau kamu nampak constant sama dengan 1. Boleh berlaku juga. Okay, it can happen. Alright? So next case, let me see. Okay. Okay guys, I want to ask you all one thing lah. Just now I show you all this graph, right? Tadi saya tunjuk graph ni, XY. This is what we call as varies directly. Berubah secara langsung. Or if you learn in science lah, kalau kamu belajar dalam science or physics, you all know this is berkadar terus, directly proportional. Am I right? Actually, dua-dua ni, dia sama sahaja. It's the same meaning. Varies directly or directly proportional is the same meaning. Okay? So now I want to ask you all. Let's say, saya ada graph macam ni pula. Dia related to variation also. So guys, kalau graph saya macam ni, boleh tak saya cakap dia ubah secara terus? Berkadar langsung. Boleh tak saya cakap dia berkadar langsung? Kalau graph macam ni, very good. Okay, don't get confused. This is not varies directly. So what do we call this guys? Kalau ada graph macam ni, dalam mathematics also lah. What type of graph is this? You should actually say varies linearly. Ini adalah nama dia. Berkadar secara linear. Linear means straight line. Tapi untuk directly proportional, dia kena sentuh asalan. Tapi yang ni tak sentuh asalan. Okay, dia ada nilai kat sini. Contoh 5. So this is the difference you all must know. This one is not varies directly. Remember, varies directly, dia kena nampak macam ni. Kena sentuh asalan. Okay guys? So this is one thing you all must know on variation also. Okay, so next one. Let me see. Okay. So guys, let's say I give you an example here lah. Sorry, XY. So guys, saya nak tanya lah. Kalau saya ada nilai macam ni, soalan macam ni. So can I ask you all, adakah graf ni, adakah semua nilai ni menggambarkan ubahan langsung ke tak? Does it show direct variation? All this value? Satu soalan kepada kamu. Does all of this show direct variation? Yes, correct. Okay, this one does not show direct variation. Betul. So what is your reason? Mengapa? Mengapa kamu kata yang ni bukan ubahan langsung? Cuba bagi satu sebab. Very good. Okay, you don't have a constant value, correct? Okay, you can see over here, this one is times 4. Tiba-tiba kali 6. Tiba-tiba kali 8. And then this one kali 6 balik. So that's why, if you don't have constant ratio, kalau kamu tak ada nisbah yang sepunya, dia bukan ubahan langsung. Okay, it's not direct variation. So this is the example for you. So guys, how do I change this to become direct variation? Macam mana saya boleh ubah nilai-nilai dalam jadual ni untuk tunjuk ubahan langsung? Very simple. Saya hanya perlu nilai Y saya kekalkan, tapi saya kena ubah sesuatu pada nilai X. Okay, saya kena kuasa duakan nilai X. Okay guys, so look at here. Kalau kamu kuasa duakan nilai X, 2 kamu akan dapat 4. Betul? Sebab 2 kuasa 2 is 4. 3 you kuasa 2 you get 9. 4 kuasa 2 16. 5 kuasa 2 25. So guys, if you see this new table over here, adakah ini menunjukkan ubahan langsung? Does this show direct variation? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, because you have constant. Kamu ada pemala. What is the constant? Can you all tell me? Apa nilai pemala kamu? Yes, correct. Okay, your pemala is K equal to 2. Okay, so if you want to write in variation, kamu tulis Y berkadar langsung dengan X kuasa 2. Y varies directly as X square. So this is how we write variation. Okay, so this is another example how to get direct variation. Okay, so next one. Okay, now we go to the question itself. Okay, kita lihat soalan directly. Okay guys. The question in the exam, mereka akan tanya macam ni. Like this. So let's say I give you an example. Okay, the one this one easy. We go direct to application. Semua example dalam bab ni guys, dia akan kait sikit dengan sains tau. So jangan terkejut, okay? Most of the example in this chapter or question, they will relate to science concept because semua konsep sains dia melibatkan ubahan. So that's why they will relate to science a bit also. Okay. Okay guys, so basically saya translate sikit. Tempo ayunan bandul ni dia adalah berkadar langsung dengan punca kuasa 2 panjang string bandul tu. Okay, so this is the question in BM. Okay guys, so first first part that you all must know is, siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? Wait, before that, since now is 4:45, halfway through, so if anyone want to go toilet or anything, you can break for a while lah. We break for a while. Okay, since it's the middle point. Okay, so anyone want to go toilet first, kamu boleh pergi toilet. Want to take drink, can take drink. Okay, so I give you all like 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minit. Okay, 450 kembali. Can guys? Meanwhile, kalau kamu ada soalan, if you have question want to ask me on maths, you can ask also. Okay, 5 minutes break. Then we continue with this question. Okay, guys? So kalau ada soalan, you can ask me directly now lah. If any question you have. By the way, you all mula sekolah minggu akan datang ni atau minggu satu lagi? You all for form 5. Kamu mula yang ni February, tak boleh nampak. Oh, 2 weeks later. Okay. So how is the feeling? Macam mana perasaan kembali ke sekolah? Sad, right? Semua sedih kan? Nervous. Oh, because SPM December, right? Saja nak ingatkan lagi sekali. I know it's a bit rush, correct? Sedih because later on you cannot see your friend already. Any of your senior tell their experience of SPM to you? Ada batch 06 dah kongsi pengalaman mereka dengan kamu? Anyone? You hear lah yang kamu dengar. If you got abang kakak, should be okay lah. You all can see how is the feeling of SPM. Okay guys, you all kembali jadi? Everyone here? Boleh comment after the break jadi? So we start kita mula. Okay, so now guys, can you all tell me for this question, boleh tak kamu type kat saya ubahan dia nampak macam mana? How will the variation look like? Type simbol bagi saya dalam bentuk ubahan. Because soalan dia tak akan bagi ubahan kamu terus kat kamu. Mereka akan bagi ayat kat kamu, kamu kena tukar ke bentuk simbol. You have to change the words into symbol. Baru kamu boleh solve soalan. So anyone? Macam mana tulis yang ni? Siapa boleh komen? Come on guys. What will you write? Yes, correct. Okay, A berkadar langsung dengan punca kuasa 2P. So this is the first information you must come out with. Soalan takkan bagi yang ni. Soalan akan tulis yang ni semua. So you must know how to convert from word into sentence. Into variation. Okay, so this is what we call as ubahan, variation. So guys, kalau nak tukar kepada equation, persamaan kita tambah apa? What do we add? Kita akan tambah pemala. Okay, we will add constant K. Simbol dia K selalu. So you get something like this. So this is what we call as equation. Okay, so now dari sini soalan akan bagi lagi info kat kamu. Okay, let's say lah Okay, panjang string pendulum tu 9 cm dan tempo ayunan dia adalah 1.2 saat. Okay, so this is the information. So guys, nilai P ni, the P value, what will I substitute with? Nilai apa saya akan gantikan? 9 atau 1.2? Can you all tell me? Anyone? Yes, you will substitute 9 because if you refer to the question, nilai P is what? Length of string, panjang string kamu. That's why P kamu ganti 9. So soalan akan tanya macam ni. Kira tempo ayunan bandul. Kalau panjang string tu 25 cm. Mereka akan tanya macam ni. Okay, so I give you all a few step lah, tips macam mana jawab soalan ni. Kalau kamu hafal step ni, you can apply to any question. Kamu boleh guna kat mana-mana soalan. So basically, first step, you convert word in question. Kamu tukar perkataan dalam soalan kepada variation. Okay, saya tulis simbol alpha lah untuk gambarkan ubahan. Okay, second step, you add constant, tambah pemala. Okay, nilai dia K. Third step, kamu ganti info, substitute information. Substitute info and find K. Kamu cari pemala tu dahulu. Fourth step, you solve the question. Kamu selesaikan soalan tu. So this is the fourth step you all must remember when you all do variation question. Convert, add constant, substitute info, cari K, selesaikan permintaan soalan. This is the fourth step. Okay, calculate period of oscillation. Kira tempo ayunan bandul. Okay guys, so remember this four step lah bila nak solve soalan macam ni. So this one, tadi orang dah bagi tahu nilai ni P. So guys, 1.2 ni is will be the A value. Nilai A, tempo ayunan bandul. So now you can solve already lah. So you will get 1.2 equal to K square root 9. So kamu cari pemala dulu based on the step just now. So you get 1.2 bahagi 3. So you will get 0.4. Tulis balik persamaan, write back the equation with the constant you have. Okay, so you will get something like this. Because tadi, your persamaan is A equal to K square root P. Sekarang kamu dah dapat nilai K. So kamu boleh dapat yang ni. Okay, so then, if you refer back to the question, kamu lihat soalan. Soalan suruh cari tempo ayunan bandul. Find the period of oscillation if length of string is 25. So guys, 25 ni, saya kena ganti dalam nilai A atau P? Yang 25 tu. Yes, you must substitute in P. So you can say P equal 25. So A equal to 0.4 square root 25. So kalau kamu kira, you will get 2 second. Okay, and also be careful guys. Kalau bab-bab macam ni, mereka suka main unit. They like to play with the unit. Okay, you must see the unit soalan bagi kat kamu. Okay, because they can suddenly change. Katakan tiba-tiba yang ni mereka bagi dalam soalan minit. So guys, tapi info ni mereka bagi dalam saat. So what you must do guys, you must convert saat kepada minit, baru kamu boleh guna persamaan ni. Because equation ni is designed for minute, bukan saat. So that's why question boleh tweak kamu kat sini. Simple, careless mistake. Sebab mereka bagi unit yang berlainan. So always make sure both of the unit that you use must be the same. Unit dalam arahan ini dan juga unit yang soalan bagi. The values of the question. Okay, so unit penting dalam bab ni. If the question involve unit lah. Okay guys, boleh faham cara nak solve soalan macam ni? This is the type of question kamu akan nampak dalam peperiksaan kamu. Okay, like this. Alright. So now, let me see. Ada lagi tak? Okay. There is also a second part you all learn in this chapter. Okay, joint variation. Have you all heard of this? Joint variation, ubahan tercantum dalam BM. This come under direct variation. Dia bawa masuk ubahan langsung ini. Why? Basically, joint variation, dia melibatkan dua kuantiti. Okay, two quantity. Direct variation, ilibatkan satu kuantiti sahaja. Let's say A berkadar langsung dengan X. So, one quantity only. Can you see the difference, guys? Joint variation, ubahan tercantum ada dua quantity. Direct variation, only one quantity. Okay, so basically, joint variation is a type of direct variation. Ubahan tercantum ni adalah salah satu jenis ubahan langsung. That is the one that's the concept you all must understand. Okay, it's just one type. Of course, why not? You can have as many as you like, but in your syllabus, they only involve dua quantity lain sahaja. You can have something like this also. A varies directly as W, X, Y, Z pun boleh. No problem. But you must have all the values lah. Kamu kena ada semua nilai pemboleh ubah yang ni. Baru kamu boleh cari pemalah kamu. Okay, because remember the step is you must find constant first, then only you solve the question. Kena cari pemalah dulu. So you must have information on all of this. That's why mereka hadkan kepada dua saja supaya tak confusing lah. Okay, so example, saya boleh bagi contoh. Okay, let's say, I write out in words. Baru kamu convert. Y varies directly as cube of X and square root. So be careful with the words guys. Mereka akan cuba trick kamu dengan perkataan. So guys, so basically can you all type out for me dalam bentuk ubahan tercantum, joint variation this one. Y berubah langsung dengan kuasa 3X dan punca kuasa 2Z. So macam mana dia nampak? You can use the alpha symbol A untuk lebih senang. Yes, very good. Okay, Y varies directly. X cube. Cube of X means X power 3. X kuasa 3 and then square root Z. Punca kuasa 2Z. Kalau kamu tak nak tulis macam ni, kamu boleh tulis macam ni pun betul. So guys, punca kuasa 2. Kuasa dia adalah 1/2. So this kind of answer also can. Jawapan macam ni pun boleh. Both of it is the same. Dua-dua sama. Depend how you want to write. Okay, cara kamu tulis jawapan sahaja. Alright, so this is how you can write out direct variation. Okay, so then after this, kamu boleh selesaikan masalah dah. Okay, after you know this one. So example, let's say I got this equation for you. Okay, soalan tanya macam ni. Okay guys, this is joint variation, ubahan tercantum. So mereka nak suruh kamu ungkapkan X dalam sebutan Y dan Z. So now first guys, if you convert to equation, proses dia sama sahaja. So what is the first step? You must add constant. Kamu kena tambah pemalah. So you write like this. Okay, K is the constant. Lepas tu, kamu kena buat apa guys? What must you do now? Selepas kamu dah convert dari ubahan ke persamaan, what is the second step? Very good, substitute. Okay, gantikan semua nilai ni bawa masuk. Okay, so you get 6 equal to K 3 square 5. So kamu boleh cari nilai K. Find your K value first. So you will get 2/15. 2/15. Okay, and now they ask you to express X in term of Y and Z. So, kamu hanya perlu gantikan nilai K masuk dalam sahaja. You just substitute the K value, you already express Y in terms of, X in terms of Y and Z. Okay, let's say lah dari sini soalan ubah sikit. Dia kata express y in terms of x and z. So guys, macam mana buat ni ya? How to do this? Kamu hanya perlu buat algebra sahaja. Ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x dan z. Okay, so you will get y square equal to 15 per 2 x bahagi z. Okay, this one algebra sahajalah. Kamu pindah semua variable ke sebelah kiri persamaan. Okay, lepas tu y akan sama dengan punca kuasa 2 15x bahagi 2z. Okay guys, understand how to do soalan macam ni yang ungkapkan punya? Can Okay, good. So now kita libatkan soalan macam exam. Macam mana mereka tanya? Okay, this one they relate to daily life. Relate to daily life lah. Okay, so let me see. Okay, saya guna contoh yang ni. Okay, usually soalan akan bagi jadual macam ni. They'll give table dengan 3 nilai. Okay, let's say A, B, C. Okay, so nilai dia macam ni. Soalan akan bagi semua yang ni pada kamu. Setengah nilai mereka tak bagilah. Some of the value they won't give you. So now, they say that S varies directly. A varies directly. As B and cube root of C. Okay, A berkadar langsung dengan B dan punca kuasa 3C. So the question is, calculate X and Y. Suruh kamu cari nilai X dan Y. So guys, can you all type out first? Macam mana bentuk ubahan dia nampak untuk soalan macam ni? How the variation will look like? A varies directly as B and then cube of C. Anyone? Yes, correct. Okay, A varies directly as B and cube of C. Dia akan nampak macam ni. Okay, so then again same step, tambah pemala, add the constant BC cube. Okay, so now guys, what is the step now? What should I do? Kamu ada nilai dalam jadual, but now saya nak tanya, based on this table, kamu akan guna yang mana? Adakah kamu akan ambil nilai kat 1, 2 atau 3 dulu? Which value will you take first? First row, second row, first column, second column or third column? Mana satu dulu? Can anyone tell? Okay, correct. Why the first one? Mengapa saya ambil yang pertama dulu? Mengapa tak ambil yang kedua atau ketiga? Yes, correct. There is no unknown. Because remember, our first step is we must find the K value. Cari nilai K. So, K ada satu unknown dah. Kalau kamu ambil 2 dan 3 ni, kamu ada X dan Y. Maksudnya, kamu ada 2 unknown dah. You cannot solve equation yang ada 2 unknown. Only one unknown boleh. Okay, so then kita akan guna nilai yang ni lah. Where is it? Sorry. Okay, so tadi A sama dengan 6, B equal to 0.8, C equal to 27. So kamu boleh gantikanlah sekarang. Yang ni Mia, this one is actually punca kuasa, you know. Yang ni adalah punca kuasa, bukan kuasa 3. Okay, common mistake guys. This one is actually punca kuasa 3. Okay, because I already say cube root, so you should write like this. Okay, punca kuasa 3C. Like this, Jangan confuse. Punca kuasa 3 and kuasa 3 nama dia, simbol dia berbeza. These two are different, One is cube root, one is cube. Okay? So kalau ada punca, you have to put symbol yang ni. Whenever you see root, ROOT, you have to put the symbol like that directly. Okay? So sig equal to K 0.8 cube root 27. So kalau kamu kira nilai K, you will get 2.5. Tekan calculator. Okay, after you get this, kamu tulis balik persamaan dia dengan nilai K. So you have this one. Okay, sekarang persamaan kamu macam ni. So now guys, now you can solve the question. They ask you to find the X and Y. Cari nilai X dan Y. So, kamu boleh refer kolom kedua untuk dapat nilai X. Okay, so you have A sama dengan X, B sama dengan 1.2, C sama dengan 125. A equal to X, B equal to 1.2, C equal to 125. So you will get X equal to 2.5 kali 1.2 kali punca kuasa 3, 125. Okay, so if you press calculator, you should get X equal to 15. Okay guys, faham macam mana langkah kerja saya untuk dapat X? This is common question lah yang kamu akan nampak dalam bab ni. They like to ask like this. Okay, so you must memorize the flow lah. Macam mana idea dia. What to do first, second, third, fourth. The step that I show you. Semua konsep dia berulang dengan nilai berbeza sahaja dan situasi soalan yang berbeza. Okay, so then untuk dapat Y, kamu guna konsep sama. A sama dengan 50, B sama dengan 40, C sama dengan Y. Okay, so 50 equal to 2.5, 40 kuasa 3Y. Okay, so now kamu kena pindah dululah. Okay, kuasa 3Y, cube root of Y equal to 50 divide 2.5 times 40. So kalau kamu kira nilai ni, you will get 0.5. Okay guys, now I want to ask you. Melalui persamaan ni, macam mana kamu boleh dapat nilai Y? Can you all tell me? Because banyak tak tahu macam mana cari nilai Y. Kalau kamu sampai kat sini, how to get Y? Apa konsep yang kita guna? What is the step? Yang ni kamu kena mahir bab index. Yes, okay. Basically, kamu kuasa 3 dua-dua belah persamaan. You just cube both side. Sebab kalau kamu kuasa 3, sesuatu punca kuasa 3, dia akan potong. Okay, maksud saya adalah macam ni. Kuasa 3, kuasa 3. Okay, so you will get Y equal to 0.125. Okay guys, understand? Cara nak dapat X dan Y dalam soalan ni, I think should be no problem lah untuk buat. Okay, so this is another example yang kamu kena tahu. Okay, so let me see. Still got 20 minutes. Okay, so let me think. Okay, I do. Okay, I relate a bit to physics again. Okay, I think most of y'all take lah, but some never take is okay. Got one question over here that's quite interesting. Okay. So guys, kamu semua dah belajar ni kan? Because I assume all of you is form 5, right? You all learn this, right? Hukum Charles dalam fizik. Okay, this one masuk bawah variation juga, ubahan. You all know this? Hukum ni? Semua tahu? Jangan kata tak tahu pula. Tahu Okay, so hukum ni menerangkan apa untuk student science? Apa kuantiti? Sekarang saya bagi lesson fizik pula. Apa dua kuantiti? Charles Law. Dia menyiasat apa sekarang? Anyone? Kalau soalan tak bagi tahu kat kamu lah. Siapa tahu? What two quantity? Hello guys. Quantity apa? Bukan. Itu boils. Yes. Volume and temperature. Okay, maybe some of you physics karat already lah. Okay, never mind. We do maths now. So this one volume and temperature. So basically hukum ni menyatakan bahawa isi padu berkadar terus dengan suhu. Okay, the volume is directly proportional to temperature. Charles' law. Okay, so now based on this, so guys, anyone can tell me when you convert to variation lah, bila kamu tukar ke bentuk persamaan, what is the constant over here? Apa pemala kita kat sini dalam situasi ni? Apa pemala? Kalau isi padu dan suhu berubah, what is constant? Yes, tekanan. Pressure is constant. So that's why persamaan kamu adalah V equal to PT. Okay, P is constant. So this is what Charles' law menyatakanlah pada kamu. Okay, so now kita apply pula dalam konsep variation. Okay, so they say that V directly proportional. Okay, this one you must take note guys. Untuk yang belajar fizik, suhu ni kena dalam Kelvin tau. Bukan dalam darjah Celsius. Darjah Celsius salah. Okay, suhu yang mereka maksudkan dalam ubahan ni adalah dalam Kelvin. So, kena hati-hati sikit. Okay, anyone can tell me penukaran Kelvin dan darjah Celsius, apa rumus dia? Yang ni kamu kena tahu apa rumus untuk tukar Celsius kepada Kelvin. Because soalan akan bagi nilai dalam Celsius. The question will give you Celsius, you must know how to convert to Kelvin. So anyone? Yang ni matematik pun kamu kena tahu. Penukaran antar unit. Masuk bawah maths juga. So C sama dengan apa? No. Guys, negatif 273 darjah Celsius dia sama dengan 0 Kelvin. Tapi saya nak tahu penukaran dia macam mana. C equal to what? You should have K tambah 273. Betul? Can you all understand? Because when 0 Kelvin, kamu ada negatif 273 darjah Celsius. So kamu pindah yang ni ke sini. Because I want C equal to K, so you plus 273 lah. Negatif bawa ke kanan, plus 273. So ini cara kamu dapat rumus ni. Conversion. Okay? So now, from here, mereka boleh bentuk soalan. Okay. So they give you that, let's say 30 cm cube gas. Kamu ada 30 cm cube gas. Temperature dia 30 darjah Celsius. Okay, so the question is, express V in term of T. Ungkapkan V dalam sebutan T. So how guys? Can you all tell me? Macam mana buat? Boleh tak saya terus katakan 30 sama dengan K 30. Lepas tu K sama dengan 1. Ini betul tak guys? Is this correct? Apa yang salah kat sini? What is the mistake? This one common mistake. Semua akan buat macam ni. Yes, kena tukar. Correct. That's why I say unit dalam bab ni penting. Because they like to play with the unit. So, kamu convert lah 30. Kamu kena buat 30 tambah dengan 273. Okay. So, this is the conversion. 30 Celsius dalam Kelvin. Okay. So, dari sini, you can get K sama dengan 10 bagi 101. Pemudahkan pada yang paling mudah lah. You simplify the fraction untuk yang termudah. So final answer, V akan sama dengan KT. 101 adalah KT. 10 per 101 tu pemala kamu. Okay guys, understand how to do this? Yang ni sedikit tricky lah soalan dia, tapi konsep sama saja, exactly the same. Okay, so lepas tu part B, mereka suruh cari isi padu gas pula. Kalau suhu dia sekarang jadi negatif 11. Okay, so that is how. Sama saja, kamu guna jawapan tadi. So guys, soalan suruh cari V. Find the V. T sudah diberi. So, 10 per 101. Okay guys, T saya berapa kat sini? Adakah dia negatif 11? Can I put negative 11? Cannot, right? Okay, so you must convert to Kelvin. So, berapa nilai ni guys? Can you all tell me in Kelvin? Apa nilai dia? Negative 11 darjah Celsius. Anyone? Negative 11 dalam Kelvin? Yes, 262. Okay, so you will get 25.94. Okay, unit dia kena tulis. Anytime ada soalan bila tanya isi padu, kalau nak selamat, tulis unit kat jawapan kamu. Okay, jangan bagi nilai saja. Always write the unit. Okay, tak salah kalau tulis unit. Kalau tak tulis unit, mungkin boleh tolak markah. Okay, so yeah, this is for this question. Okay, so we try one last example, lepas tu habis lah. So until now, everyone clear or not? Sampai sekarang. Do you all understand? Clear? Okay, good. So one last example, saya nak relate dengan matematik kamu, Consumer Maths Form 3. Do you all still remember this? Hopefully kamu semua masih ingat lah rumus-rumus dalam bab ni, because there is one question on this also. Okay, example. Guys, can you all type out for me? Apa rumus untuk kira faedah mudah? Simple interest formula. Yes, KPLT, not bad, betul. Okay, so basically, apa yang saya boleh tengok dari sini, kalau nilai P bertambah, nilai I akan bertambah. Because kalau kamu bagi masuk lebih wang, pastinya interest dia lebih banyak lah. Okay, kalau kadar lebih banyak, if your interest rate is higher, surely jumlah interest yang kamu kumpul juga akan bertambah. Kalau kamu simpan wang ni untuk tempoh lebih lama, you save the money for more time, pastinya dia akan dapat jumlah yang lebih banyak juga. So that's why all of this is direct relation. Okay, ubahan langsung. Ketiga-tiga ni. Okay, so kamu combine semua ni, dia bentuk yang ni. So guys, I want to ask you all, what is the constant here? Apa nilai pemalar kamu kat sini? Cuba teka. Baru saja saya bagi satu situasi. No, I want the value, Haida. Value. Yes. Always remember, kalau mereka tak tulis apa-apa ke hadapan, dia ada nombor 1 ke hadapan. Because anything times 1, kamu dapat nilai itu balik. Okay, that's why pemalar is 1. Okay. So now, kamu boleh selesaikan soalan dah. Okay, so first part. Okay. Let's say interest RM200. She saved RM4,000. 2 years. Okay, so you can identify lah semua nilai I, T, P. Okay, and then now soalan tanya. Calculate period of saving. Maksudnya cari nilai T lah. If she has interest RM650 with principal RM5200. Okay, so ini adalah struktur soalan dia lah. This how it looks like. Okay, so first step, you have to use this value. Kamu kena guna semua nilai ni. Okay guys, kalau kamu tengok lah, nilai apa kita tak ada kat sini? Do you all know? Apa info yang tak diberi kat sini? Based on the formula. Correct. So basically, rate kamu sekarang akan jadi pemala kamu. The constant. I equals to KPT. Because question bagi P, bagi T, kita ada I, kita tak ada R. Okay, so basically, kamu ada dua hubungan yang ni. So, kamu combine dua-dua ni, kamu dapat yang ni. Lepas tu tambah pemala, kamu dapat ni. So guys, sebab kamu dah belajar bab tu, kamu tahu dia. Pemala dia sebenarnya adalah kadar. Okay, the constant here is the interest rate. Okay, soalan tak bagi tahu kamu sahaja. But you know the formula di. Kamu tahu rumus dia I equal to PRT. So kamu tengok. Pemboleh ubah mana tak ada sekarang? R. So R kamu adalah pemala. Macam tu. Tapi certain relationship kamu tak tahulah pemala dia apa because you never learn. Kamu tak belajar konsep dia. Okay. So kita boleh guna konsep matematik untuk dapatkan pemala tu yang kita tak tahu. Tanpa kaedah hafal lah. Without memorizing. Okay. So now, dari sini, kamu boleh cari nilai K. Okay, so dari info tadi, kamu ada interest sama dengan 200. Okay, faedah 200, principal 4,000, tempo 2 tahun. Okay, so kamu boleh gantikan untuk cari nilai kamu. So you will have 200 equals to K, 4,000, and then 2 tahun. So if you count, K equal to 0.025. So kamu tulis balik, I equal to 0.025 PT. Okay guys, understand? So guys, can you all tell me, berdasarkan nilai pemala ni, apa kadar faedah? What is the interest rate here? Berapa peratus? Saya nak dalam peratus, bukan dalam perpuluhan. How many percent interest rate? Anyone? Kadar faedah? Dari nilai ni, how much is the interest rate? Not 25. Guys, you must know how to find interest rate. Kalau kamu nak tukar dari perpuluhan ke peratus, kamu darab 100%. So you actually get 2.5%. Okay, bukan 25%. Kamu boleh cuba. If you take 25 bahagi 100, kamu akan dapat 0.25 sahaja. Dia tak sama dengan nilai ni. So that's why it's 2.5%. Okay? So now, kamu boleh cari soalan, kehendak soalan. They ask you to find nilai T. Okay, mereka bagi I equal 650, P equal to 5200. So, kamu boleh cari tempo simpanan. How long you save the money. Just gantikan only. So, you have 650 equal to P. R. R is 0.025 T. T nak cari. Okay, so if you count and see, T akan sama dengan 5. 5 tahun lah, 5 years. Okay guys, understand? Boleh faham? Should be able to lah. Okay, so this is for part A. So the last question, part B. Okay, this one came out a bit. So they say that you want the same amount of interest. Sorry. Okay, dia nak jumlah faedah yang sama, same amount of interest. Okay, but got condition. But she want to reduce the tempo simpanan, the T value. Okay, so now the question is the P, nilai P. Adakah dia kena bertambah ataupun berkurang? Can anyone answer this? Siapa boleh jawab yang ni? How do we answer this question? What is the answer? Siapa tahu? Okay, kita cuba. Okay, so now let me show you. Okay, so basically kamu ada rumus I equals PLT. Betul? So they say that yang ni dia nak constant. This is the constant now. I is constant. Same means constant lah. Dan sekarang R juga adalah pemalas. So sekarang mereka nak siasat hubungan antara P dan T. Okay, they want to investigate the relation between this P and T. So guys, can you all tell me P dan T, P and T, adakah dia berkadar terus? Is it varies directly P and T? Kalau lihat rumus, adakah dia macam ni? Betul tak? Yes or no, guys? Try to think and see. Is it correct? Yeah, it's not really. You can try and see. Okay, kalau kamu cuba modify rumus ni, you will get PLT sama dengan I. Correct? So P is equal to I bahagi RT. So guys, can you all see this? P dan T. I bahagi R ni adalah pemalas. Constant. Because soalan dah bagi tahu. Dua-dua ni constant. So guys, P and T now. Satu atas, satu bawah. Adakah ni ubahan terus? Is it direct variation guys? P and T? Is wrong. Okay, dia salah. It's supposed to be P berkadar songsang dengan T. Okay, P varies inversely as T. Okay guys, do you all understand this? Can So now, if you refer to the question, they say that T sekarang kamu berkurang. So mereka tanya, apa efek pada nilai P? They say that T berkurang. So guys, if T berkurang, P akan meningkat. Okay, so that's why the answer is P will increase. Untuk dapat nilai faedah yang sama, to get same interest. Because T now berkurang. R constant, I constant. So sekarang P dan T nilai dia akan berubah untuk dapat I yang sama. Okay guys? Understand? Okay, if you still like feel blur, very simple. I can give value for you. Let's say, saya nak faedah saya 520. Constant lah. Kadar saya 0.025. Constant juga. This one is R. Okay, let's say saya nak mula. T saya 8. Okay, so kalau saya kira, saya bagi nilai random lah pada kamu. Okay, yang ni soalan tak beri pun, tapi untuk faham sahaja. So, P kamu adalah 2600. Okay, yang ni T, yang ni P. So guys, based on the question just now, untuk case yang kedua, this first situation, second situation, I sama. R pun sama. So, mereka nak tengok. Soalan kata kalau T berkurang. Okay, so T berkurang, T asal 8. My original T is 8. So, berkurang, let's say 6. Okay guys, kamu cuba kira nilai ni. Kamu dapat berapa? Baru kamu boleh tahu apa yang saya maksudkan tadi. Kamu akan dapat 3, 4, 6, 7. So guys, boleh tak kamu nampak sini perubahan dia? T sekarang bertambah. T sekarang berkurang. Can you see? Jadi dia adalah berubah secara songsang. Inverse relationship. Dari formula pun saya dah buktikan. Okay guys? Clear? Any question? Basically, from this we already complete lah direct variation. Kita dah habis 1.1. Wow, very good y'all. Okay, so wait, last one. I will give some exercise lah for you all to try out also. Dari textbook sahaja. Okay, kamu boleh cuba lah untuk buat to understand better. Okay, let me see ya. This one kamu boleh consider as why I know still holiday time, but got homework also lah. Okay, baru kamu boleh kukuhkan pemahaman because I never do all the questions. So you must try out also. Okay, so kamu boleh lihat buku teks. I give from textbook only. Kamu semua dah dapat buku teks kan? Form 5, if not mistaken. Kalau tak, boleh rujuk online juga. Okay? So, I give you all few only. Tak bagi semua pun. Okay, for this one, kamu buat 2 ni sahaja. And then, okay, self practice 1.1b. Saya hanya cover 1.1 sahaja. You all can copy this down. Kalau kamu nak saya semak jawapan, kamu boleh hantar kat saya. I can help you to check. Okay, if you don't know any question lah, kalau kamu tak tahu. Saya tak bagi semua, hanya yang susah-susah sikit saja. Okay, yang ni terakhir. Okay guys, clear? So this all your homework lah. Not much also, tak banyak pun, sikit saja. Okay guys, can get it? Later I will send in the group also. Saya akan hantar seluruh file ni dalam group so that you all can refer later on. Okay guys? So if you have question, you can still ask me now lah kalau kamu masih ada soalan. Any question you have on maths or at maths. Yeah, got. I already recorded. If you want to share my class to your friends, kamu boleh kongsi juga. If your friends want to join my class untuk Form 5. Okay, you can share also. Kalau rasa bermanfaat lah, if it help you. Okay, so yeah, that's all lah for today. Itu sahaja. Okay guys, so next week, remember kita kembali pada Khamis dan Jumaat malam. Okay, next week permanent already. Thursday night, Friday night. Okay, 8 p.m. to 9:30. Okay, so thank you. See you all next week. Thank you. Thank you.